Hello everybody. I'm on today, just a quick one today. I'm on to uh, spread the awareness of autism. April is Autism Awareness Month, so I thought I'd come on, do my bit. Now I've got a channel, I can spread the word. Um, so this has come from a video that I saw, and she's called Kathy's Favourite Things, and her son Austin has autism, so she does a lot of awareness work, let's say. Um, sorry, my my son has autism, um, and it's a hard thing to live with. Not a lot of people understand like what autism is. It's a huge thing. It's called autism spectrum, and there's a lot of different types of autism. Um, the one my son has is pathological demand avoidance syndrome. He's 18. He was diagnosed when he was about 10, and I've had a lot of years to learn and teach myself how to deal with him on a daily basis, and I'm still learning today. So yeah, I just thought, quick video, come on, tell you a little bit about the autism. So the colour, as you can see, is blue, if it's shown up properly. Now I made this little jigsaw piece. The symbol for autism is a jigsaw piece. So I've made this, and the reason why it's got a little turtle there is because when my son was little, he was called Jellyman. So this is a tribute to him. I've just put a little bit of blue ribbon on with a little Julie bit. And yeah, it's a bit shiny. I don't know if you can see the sheen. I'm not too sure if that's shown up very well. So that's it. Apart from, I will link Kathy's channel down below. Please go over, show some support, and hope you have a good Easter weekend. Okay, bye for now. See you in the next one.